From your TV, you can hear it when you read, almost smell it when you breathe. Close your eyes and take another day.